Welcome to our channel. This is FACILE Welding. Today we're introducing this welding machine put to 0 to 0 true TIG AC DC inverter. By press this button, we can have DC TIG, AC TIG, mixed TIG, and MA function. Let's move further to each mode to have more details. Firstly is DC TIG. Under this mode, we can choose to work under high frequency, HF or lift. Also can select constant current or pulse, as well as to TIG or for T function. Beside, we add a cold TIG function, but only available at DC and constant current working mode. We can choose to set. Press this button, the external controller works. Smart gas function for inexperienced. It will automatically adjust the pulse flow. Cannot be set by users. Going further, let's move into the constant current mode. By press the knob, we can set parameter as below. The IP is to set the peak current from 10 to 200 amps. The TG or WN is to set the downslope from 0 to 15 seconds. The F is to set the stop current from 10 to 100 amps. The pass is to set pulse flow from 0.5 to 15 seconds. The tray is to set pre-flow from 0.1 to 15 seconds. The IS is to set the stop current from 10 to 100 amps. The top is to set the upslope from 0 to 15 seconds. Next, let's move into the pulse mode. The operation is the same as before, but here at a basic current 10 to 100 amps. Pulse duty cycle from 10 to 99%, and pulse frequency from 0.2 to 500 Hz. Second is AC TIG, same as before. The difference is that at the AC duty cycle 15 to 50% and AC frequency 30 to 100 Hz. Third is mixed TIG, also as before. But mixed TIG without pulse function. Increased mixed duty cycle 10 to 90% and mixed frequency 0.5 to 10 Hz. Fourth is the another simple function, manual welding, output range from 0 to 200 amps. MMA have adjustable VOD anti-stick hot start and output function. For human safety, we can select to open VOD function and anti-stick function on, or FF. We can adjust hot start from 0 to 100 amps for better out start. And out force from 0 to 100 amps for better electrode melt.